Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Pipit Punamasari akan menjelaskan pengertian dari linking word. Linking words are words that connected between a trip of ideas and other ideas in a sentence. Artinya, linking word adalah kata-kata yang menghubungkan antara suku ide dengan ide lainnya di dalam kalimat.
Baiklah, saya Revi Wianusari akan menjelaskan tentang tipe-tipe linking words. The first, additive linking. It is a word that serves to provide additional information on sentences that have been explained before. This word has 6 types: namely addition, introduction, reference, minority identification, and clarification. Example: Ronin does not understand how to talk what occurs. What one has occurs to the from. 2. Adversative linkings are the words used to describe the contradict information from the previous sentence. This word includes conflict, emphasis, concession, dismissal, and replacement. Example: the text in question makes people feel unique. On the other hand, it could prevent civil servants from doing corruption.
Saya Vicky Ardian Sujita akan melanjutkan tipe-tipe linking word. 3. Causal linking. It is us to link two sentences to cause and effect. Cause linking patterns are commonly used in writing news articles. In all, there are 4 types of causal linking, namely cause, effect, purpose, and consequence. Example: the flop happened due to the garbage that is piled inside the river. Therefore, we should wash our garbage carefully like that.
Baiklah, saya Wiyani. Saya akan membacakan cara menggunakan linking word. Yaitu yang pertama, state addition. Example: in addition, as well as, not only, but also, furthermore, besides, moreover, and. Sample sentence: in this office, you will not only find a job but also learn on how to interact with other people well. Number 2, state the opposite or contrast. Example: even talk, all talk. However, never tells. On the contrary, on the other hand, but conversely, whereas instead of despite. Sample sentence: I love her so much, even though she is not beautiful or smart. Number 2, declaring cause and effect. Example: therefore, for this reason, because of this, due to, owing to, as a consequence, for signs. Sample sentence: I cannot go to your home tonight because my father asked me to accompany him.
Saya Mandai Safitri akan melanjutkan dari cara menggunakan linking word. Number 4, declare a purpose. Example linking verb: in order to, in order not to, so as to. Sample tenses. Number 1, I wake up early in order to be on time. Number 5, summarize. Example linking verb: in brief, to conclude, in short, in conclusion. Sample tenses. In conclusion, the nuclear energy is good for people if it used well.
Saya Yuli Linova akan menjelaskan contoh linking word. Contoh linking word: as long as, you can see my note. As long as you don't tell the other, I will tell you. As long as you can keep the secret. 2. Although or even though. 1. He lives in a small house, although he is quite read. 2. Even though computer must by repair it, she doesn't care and keeps using it. 3. Even if 1. My other brother is quite lazy, even if he has spare times. He doesn't want to study. 2. Even if my father has a lot of money, he will never buy a house. 4. In case 1. You need to take an umbrella in case it rains. 5. Despite 1. In spite of being sick, he keeps going to work. 2. Despite being stupid, he never wants to learn. 6. So that 1. You must keep the secret to the other people don't know it. Baiklah, itu tadi presentasi dari kelompok kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.